Go to the bottom of the Earth to discover what lies at the deepest point of the planet. Here and now it will become a reality, full of fantastic sensations that will blow your mind. 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste, carrying Swiss oceanographer Jacques Piccard and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh, reached the deepest point of the ocean. The depth was measured at 10,994 meters, 36,070 feet. This was the first and most dangerous dive in human history. Get ready for a journey into the deepest part of the world's oceans, the Mariana Trench. Today, we know more about space than we do about the depths of the ocean. So, what amazing secrets and mysteries are hidden in its waters, and what can we learn by going down to the bottom of this mysterious world? There is a place on our planet that is a source of truly fantastic stories. These include tales of giant and unknown creatures, theories that it is a portal to other dimensions, and reports of mysterious sounds recorded with state-of-the-art technology. The first time anyone tried to measure the depth of the Mariana Trench was in 1875. The British ship Challenger used a weighted sounding cable to record a depth of about 8,184 meters, 26,850 feet. This was followed by a more accurate measurement. In 1951, scientists on the Challenger 2 used echo sounder technology to find out that the deepest part of the ocean was almost 11 kilometers, 7 miles deep. This part of the ocean is now called Challenger Deep, or Challenger Abyss. On 23 January 1960, a special boat called a bathyscaphe reached the deepest part of the ocean for the first time ever. This showed that this unique place, which is so close to the Earth's core, was not as well understood as we thought. In 2012, the film director James Cameron dived to the bottom of the trench on his deep-sea Challenger submersible. He took some amazing photos of the deep-sea environment. Even if Everest were in a depression, its summit would still be over 2 kilometers underwater. Can you imagine? While thousands of people have been to Everest, only a few, 27 people out of billions of people, have descended to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is shaped like a crescent and is about 2,540 kilometers long with an average width of 69 kilometers. It is in the western Pacific Ocean, and it gets its name from the Mariana Islands, which are about 200 kilometers away. For many centuries, this place has hidden a lot of mysteries, and not even the most modern scientific equipment has been able to explore it fully. There are legends about the origin of all life on Earth, but these are not based on the realities of this unique geographical object, where the monstrous water pressure and cold temperature, it would seem, are not comparable to life, but they are there. Scientists are still finding new organisms and amazing, strange creatures at a depth of 11 kilometers below sea level. The mysterious moans from the depths of the Mariana Trench, which scientists have long been unable to unravel, belong to Bride's whales, masters of underwater communication. These sounds, known as biotwang, were first recorded in 2014 during an acoustic survey. At a depth of 8,000 kilometers, the Mariana snail lives. This deep-sea fish is a marvel of evolution. It has a translucent body and can withstand pressures that would easily crush a human. This makes it one of the hardiest creatures on Earth. This beautiful jellyfish, called Enigma, lives at a depth of about 3,700 meters. It has 2 sets of tentacles and an opaque dome that helps it blend into its surroundings. The jellyfish's unique appearance comes from its ability to produce light itself, which is called bioluminescence. Here, bacteria feed on methane and sulfur that rise up from the Earth's crust. There are giant single-celled organisms called foraminifera, which look like huge amoebae. They create shells of proteins, organic polymers, and sand as calcium carbonate dissolves under such pressure. Exploration of the Mariana Trench has led to amazing discoveries. Hydrothermal vents that create unique ecosystems in total darkness and marine snow, in the form of organic particles that serve as food for deep-sea organisms, are amazingly beautiful. The mountains at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, which were discovered in 2011 by an American oceanographic expedition, are simply stunning. Scientists believe that the four ridges, which are up to 2.5 kilometers high, were formed where the Pacific and Philippine tectonic plates meet. This is an area where the plates are still colliding with each other. The active underwater volcano Daikoku rises more than 2,500 meters above the seabed, and a lake of liquid sulfur has formed in its crater, which is completely unique to Earth. The Mariana Trench is a place of wonder and discovery, from fascinating creatures to unique geological features. Depths lies another incredible, fantastic world. Thanks for joining us on this journey and exploring the depths of the Mariana Trench. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop looking for wonders.